Let us talk about this air duster. These things have been all over the place. They're fantastic little products and they help a lot. Now, this is what this one looks like. It's super heavy duty, actually. I was surprised to feel like, and I know it's the battery size or the battery weight, but it's got a really nice hefty weight, which I do like. It does feel a little bit more heavy duty, and it's a good thing. Now, you have both ways, so both entries. You see the fan on one side over here, and this one here is kind of that blower. So you will have an output and an input. So of course, air intake, air outtake, right? You do have the power button right here and the USB-C, which is located right over here. That USB-C is used to charge. It does come with the USB-C cable, which is a nice thing. It also does come with a nice little pouch that will fit all the accessories. Now, yes, there are accessories because this thing doesn't come just like that. You do have the trigger, and yes, if I just press it, it's very, very loud, but very, very powerful. So that's a cool thing. So of course, yes, it will blow and suction just like this, but you want to be using the accessories. Now you do have a lot of them, and I'm going to have them, look at this, lined up right here. You can actually see them, I think, or right there. There you go. We can see them right here. We've got 5 accessories, 5 different outputs or inputs, I should say. We're going to talk about the one that is the air intake or blower. So let's say I want to, and this is really cool because this right here is that pin that will go into inflatables, for example. If I want to deflate something really quickly, I use this one here and it will actually deflate it extremely quickly, whether it's an air mattress, a pool floaty, what have you. But the other cool thing is that I can actually, let me turn this off, I can actually also put it on the other side, and now I am blowing that very said pool toy, pool floaty, or mattress very quickly as well. Now, the cool thing with this thing is that, let me grab it and take that out. I will show you, because you've got a light here, and I just turned it on. So you've got a button in the back, and that button in the back will turn on the light. And the light is actually pretty bright, but check this out. I'm going to actually put this one right here. Look at the light. You can see the light. It is, I mean, it's helpful to have light, especially if you're chasing those dust bunnies with this thing around. Now I'm going to turn off the light. And again, now that it's condensed, focused, that powerful blast will be even more powerful. And I'm going to go. It is, I mean, it's blowing. It's blowing a lot. So you do have this one here, kind of a crevice tool, a longer crevice tool as well. Really cool. You literally just plop it in, twist, and you're on. And they work on both sides. So I can actually, again, intake or outtake. So literally suck or blow. So that's one. I love this one here. This one is my favorite one around the desk area, around my computer stuff. If you open up a PC case and all that, those dust bunnies, this is extremely focused and really nice, kind of like almost like a nice vent. And then you've got the bigger one right here, kind of a bigger general blower. If I'm on the outside, maybe by the porch, the patio, I've got some leaves on my car, I can use this as well. Or even snow. You can actually get rid of snow with this. Super powerful. Again, like I said, very nice and hefty in terms of heavy dutiness. And everything will fit in this little bag. And the battery lasts super long, by the way. And it's a really quick charge via the USB-C as well. So yeah, very big fan of this. If you don't already have a blower duster, I don't even call them dusters anymore. They're blowers. They're big blowers, but they fit in your pocket. If you already have one, I highly recommend one exactly like this.